Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jack. And I am back. So I guess you could say I am back, Jack. As it is time for the Carnival Jubilee to end her inaugural sailing season. The news has been announced by Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, John Heald, that slight change in dining options for guests on board. Passengers should be rest assured, however, that the change is minimal and the Texas-sized fun will remain. As we did on Mardi Gras and Carnival Celebration, we will end the official inaugural season with one included meal at the fabulous Cucina del Capitano starting from the September 7, 2024, sailing, and at the brilliant Chibang starting from the October 12, 2024, sailing, Heald explained. Each meal after that will have only an $8 charge. The two specialty restaurants have offered free dining since the ship debuted. Now, guests will still enjoy one free meal if they choose, but additional meals will incur the $8 per guest service charge. Considering that other specialty restaurants on board have much higher charges, this is still a great deal for cruisers. The elegant Rudy's Sea Grill, for example, is $49 for adults and $15 for children, while the energetic Bonsai Teppanyaki is $44.84 for lunch and $49.56 per person for dinner. It should be noted that Carnival's website is slightly unclear, as Cucina del Capitano is listed at $24 per person for the first meal and $8 per meal thereafter. Chibang is still listed as a free first meal and $8 per visit afterward. Both restaurants are amazingly popular and offer delicious dining options not available elsewhere on board. Of course, Carnival Jubilee also has a wide variety of other specialty dining options as well as highly popular included venues such as Guy's Burger Joint, Shaq's Big Chicken, the Blue Iguana Cantina, and of course my personal favorite pizza. The 183,521 gross ton Carnival Jubilee is the third of the Excel-class ships and the newest vessel in the Carnival fleet. With the Texas Lone Star on her bow, she is homeported year-round from Galveston, Texas. Carnival Jubilee sails 7-night Western Caribbean itineraries visiting Cozumel, Costa Maya, Roatan, with multiple days at sea for every guest to thoroughly enjoy all the amazing features, amenities, and venues on board. Cruise ship inaugural seasons vary and may last for just a few weeks or could be as much as a year or longer. Factors such as the limited availability of inaugural season merchandise, strength of bookings, itinerary diversity, or the addition of even newer ships to a fleet can impact exactly when a cruise line declares one ship's inaugural season complete. Let me take a moment to ask you to please like this video, also please subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you will be notified when I post new content. Now on with the featured presentation. Cucina del Capitano is an Italian-themed restaurant, complete with red and white checkered tablecloths, exposed brick walls, and a true neighborhood feel. Especially fun is the Carnival-themed artwork on the walls, including both historical photos as well as construction photos of Carnival Jubilee and other vessels. I did find artwork from original Carnival vessels from the 70s as well as a framed portrait of the MS Fantasy, which was my very first cruise. Chibang is the cruise line's new Mexican-Chinese fusion restaurant, offering unique menu pairings that permit guests to customize their meal to both international tastes at once. The bold decor also reflects both cultures and celebrates the vibrant culinary traditions of each one. While Cucina del Capitano is available on a number of ships in the Carnival fleet, Chibang is only found on the 3 Excel-class vessels, Mardi Gras, Carnival Celebration, and Carnival Jubilee. Both restaurants are located on Deck 8. Cucina del Capitano is located portside at midship, across from the Marina Bar and the Pixels Gallery, while Chibang is portside forward of Grand Central, across from the Havana Bar. Reservations are not required for either restaurant but are highly recommended for peak dinner hours, when wait times could become significant. As we count down the days to the end of her inaugural season, it's clear that the Carnival Jubilee has left an indelible mark on the world of cruising. She set a new standard for what it means to have an unforgettable cruise experience, and she's inspired a new generation of cruisers to take to the high seas. The Carnival Jubilee's inaugural season may be coming to an end, but the memories and experiences she's created will be cherished for a lifetime. As we look to the future, it's clear that this ship is going to continue to thrill, delight, and inspire guests for years to come. So what was your favorite moment from the Carnival Jubilee's inaugural season? Would you pay $8 to eat in these restaurants? I know I sure would. Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more cruise-related content and adventures from around the world. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, please take just a moment to like, subscribe and share with a friend, or with family. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next one.